Let me present myself. My name is Sonia, and I'm so happy you decided to hear what I had to say. Part of my mission is sharing my journey and to let passionate individuals take advantage of all the beautiful possibilities. That's why I created this small but mighty booklet to help you set your clear intentions, build online with meaning and flexibility, helping you choose tools and strategies that respect your rhythm. You have something to offer, and there are people out there waiting for what you have to offer, helping you realize how simple it can be to invest your time while building your legacy one step at a time. Inside, you'll find tools, insights, and honest guidance to help clarify your mission and create with intention. Ready to explore what's possible for you? Click the link and take the first step on your own purposeful journey.